Hello, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk to you about being absorbent, being an empath, being affected by other people's energies, other people's negativity. If you're the type of person who finds when you go out in the world, when you interact with people, when someone has that hostile, horrible energy, that it just hits you and it just knocks you down and it's just too much to take and you end up isolating yourself, you can't get involved with people, you struggle with relationships, large crowds. If that sounds familiar to you, if people give you anxiety, if people give you stress, this may really help you. Now, if this has happened to you for a long period of time, if you've led a life where, like I said, there's been a lot of negative people around you and they've really impacted you and you just feel it right inside and you hold it, you've got to build up a self-defense system. You're going to put up barriers to protect yourself. Now, this is going to, again, make a barrier between you and connecting with other people, connecting with people that can help you, connecting with loved ones, connecting with light, and just not being able to be out in the world, not being able to socialize, not being able to just go somewhere, go into a shop without getting anxiety, stress, and having just a horrible day, week from just one interaction. Now, what you can do is you've got to reprogram yourself. You've got to take control of your own being, appreciate how absorbent you are. It shows that you have great levels of sensitivity. It shows that your body is just super energized and that it can sense and feel. It's such a gift. If you're this way, you have such a gift. It's amazing to be able to feel other people. But what you don't want to do is hold it, and you don't want to set your defenses to block it. Yeah? You want to know that you can feel it and let it pass through. It's about knowing that you're able to let things through. Someone's negativity can come into your presence and you can just let it go with the wind. You can just, it's just gone. It's like that. You've got to tell yourself you've got that ability because you have. And it's about constantly telling yourself that. Every time you come into the presence of someone and you feel their negativity, observe it, yeah, and let it through and let it out. Don't think, right, I'm just going to cut it off and I'm going to blank. This is going to set defenses, it's going to set boundaries, and this is going to then grow and grow and grow, and your boundaries will become stronger and stronger until you're just really isolated. And we're a social being, we need social, and if you're this sensitive, you're meant to be around people because you're meant to be able to sense people and you're meant to be able to help people. You're meant to be able to help people with their struggles and enlighten them with their negativity, and make them more positive so they can love life and change the world for a more positive, loving, blessed, beautiful life. So you have a great gift in this sensitivity. What makes us human is our immense sensitivity to the world. We can sense like no other being. We have amazing senses. If you want to be sensible, embrace that sense by taking control. Yeah? Telling yourself, I don't need to hold on to this person's negativity. I can see it, and I can see for myself how I don't want to feel. I can see the attitude I don't want to have. And I'm going to observe it, I'm going to smile, and I'm going to let it just go straight through. I am not going to hold on to it, I'm not going to absorb it, I'm going to witness it. I'm able to witness it, I'm gifted. Tell yourself that, I'm gifted, I can witness other people's stress, even if they don't know it. I can witness their struggle, and I know exactly what I don't want to feel. So I'm going to just let it pass through and constantly tell yourself daily, every time you have that feeling, tell yourself, I'm letting it pass through. Stand in good posture. Breathe and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, and just let things flow. Understand you're a flowing being. Understand you have a flow within you and you can control how you feel, how you project yourself into the world. And know that if you're that absorbent, you're also going to be sharing that with other people. So if you can make yourself a loving, light, just happy being, full of joy, that will spread and you'll start to change people's lives as well as change your own. I said, so if you've also been in this position, you need to practice self-love because you've taken on a lot of other people's negativity, and this is going to beat yourself up internally. You need to start looking at yourself like, imagine everything you say to yourself, you're saying to a young child. Yeah, would you say it? What you say to yourself, would you say to an innocent 5-year-old? See yourself as that innocent 5-year-old and talk to yourself like that. And I don't mean talk to yourself like a little kid with funny little words. I mean loving. Talk to yourself with love and light, and you don't punish yourself. Yeah? You correct yourself, you notice your mistakes, learn from them, grow and develop and become a better being from it, and then pat yourself on the back every time and keep yourself moving forward. Yeah? So let that energy flow through, let it go straight out, embrace your gifts, love your life, love yourself, connect with people, love life, and I will see you in the next video. I hope this helped. Drop a comment if it does, or just hit that like button, it really helps. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Much love to you, wherever you are and whoever you are.